You could be earning $70,000 a year and still be living paycheck to paycheck. Here are 7 signs. And most people don't realize sign number 4 until it's too late. Sign number 1. You have no idea how much you spent last month. If someone asked you right now what you spent on food, subscriptions, or random purchases last month, and you couldn't answer within a few $100s, that's the first sign. Sign number 2. Your savings account hasn't grown in over a year. Money might be going in, but if it's also constantly coming out for emergencies that aren't really emergencies, your balance stays flat no matter how much you earn. Sign number 3. You rely on your next paycheck to cover bills that are already due. If you're mentally counting down the days until payday just to stay current, that's not normal, even if it feels normal. Sign number 4, the one most people miss. You've normalized small debt. A $20 buy now, pay later here, a small credit card balance there. None of it feels serious individually, but together it means you're already spending money you haven't earned yet. Sign number 5. A single unexpected expense would wreck your month. A flat tire, a vet bill, a broken phone. If any one of these would send you into panic mode, your financial cushion doesn't exist, no matter what your salary says. Sign number 6. You associate spending with stress relief. Bad day at work? Order takeout. Rough week? Online shopping. If spending money is your default coping mechanism, it's quietly draining you faster than your income can keep up. Sign number 7. You've never actually calculated your real monthly expenses. Not a rough guess. The actual number, written down, every category included. Most people who feel broke have never done this once. If 2 or more of these sound familiar, you're not bad with money, you just haven't built a system yet. And that system starts with one thing: knowing your real numbers. Subscribe, because next week I'm showing you exactly how to calculate that in under 10 minutes.